Hi, this is Deepthi, and this video we are going to see about form object. Form object. HTML forms can be made up of a variety of HTML elements that accept the user input. The form HTML tag encloses the HTML elements that make up the form. Once JavaScript enabled browser encountered these tags in an HTML file, created a form object in memory. First one, text box. Text element or data entry fields used in HTML forms. Text field accept a single line of text entry. Properties, name, value. Methods, blur, focus, select. JavaScript event handler, on focus, on blur, on select, on change. Next, password. The password element is a unique type of text entry field, but all the keystrokes for this field are displayed as an asterisk. Properties, name, default value, value. Methods, blur, focus, select. JavaScript event handler, on focus, on blur, on select, on change. Third one, button. An HTML button element is a commonly used form object. It is generally used to trigger appropriate form level processing. Properties, name, value, methods, click, JavaScript event handler, on click. Next, checkbox. An HTML checkbox is a form object that behaves as a toggle switch. This means a checkbox can be in either one of two states, either checked or unchecked. A checkbox can be written a single value to a web server, either true or false. Properties, name, value, checked, methods, click, JavaScript event handler, on click. Next one, radio button. The radio button has two states and can toggle between them. The one special exception is that when several radio buttons are combined into a radio group, only a single radio button can be selected at any given time. Giving same name to all the radio button places them in the same radio group. Properties, checked, index, length, name. Methods, clicked, JavaScript event handler, on click. Next one, text area. The text area form elements provides a way to create custom sized multi-line text entry field. Properties, name, value, methods, blur, focus, select, JavaScript event handler, on focus, on blur, on select. Next one, multi-choice list. A select object on an HTML form appears as drop-down list or a scrollable list of selectable items. The list of items to choose from is described between the select tag using the option tag. Properties, name, size, selected, text, value, index. Methods, blur, focus, change. Event handler, on focus, on blur, on change. Next one, select and option element. It is very similar to drop down box, but here we can select more than one option. It is inserted in the form tag like this. Select name is equal to items, size is equal to 2, multiple, select. Properties, name, size, selected, text. Value, index. Methods, blur, focus, change. JavaScript event handler, on focus, on blur, on change. Thank you.